Hi friends, today we can see about the problems based on state transition matrix in control system. In the previous video we saw about state transition matrix, state model determination, then the how to obtain state transition matrix and then controllability. Today in this video we can see about observability problems. Okay, see the first problem, verify the observability of a control system which is represented in the state space model x dot of t equal to x1 x2 bar, which is equal to -2 1 0 into x1 x2 plus 1 1 u of t, and y is equal to 1 1 x1 x2. We know that x dot of t equal to ax plus bu and y is equal to cx plus du. From this we need to determine a b c d. Okay, such that we can write as a is equal to 2 cross 2 matrix -2 1 0, b is equal to 1 1, c is equal to 1 1, d is equal to 0. Okay, then the Kalman's test is nothing but q naught equal to c transpose a transpose c transpose a transpose the whole square into c transpose, then a transpose the whole power n minus 1 into c transpose. Okay, from this we need to remain the Kalman's test, which is q naught is equal to c transpose into a transpose c transpose. Okay, then we need to remind the modulus, which is the determinant of q naught. Okay, first of all we need to determine a transpose c transpose. A transpose nothing but -2 1 -2 0. Okay, and then c transpose is 1 1, then a transpose c transpose equal to -1 -2. Okay, then q naught is equal to 1 -1 1 -2, then modulus of q naught is equal to 1 -1 1 -2, which is -2 plus 1, which is -1, not equal to 0. Here the output is not equal to 0, which is observable. When the output is not equal to 0, the state model is said to be completely observable. Okay, from the Kalman's test. Okay, then we can see the next problem. Evaluate the observability of the system with A is equal to 3 cross 3 matrix 0 1 0 0 0 1 0 -2 -3, and B is equal to 0 0 1, C is equal to 3 4 1. Okay, we know the Kalman's test, the order of the system is 3, and the Kalman's test is nothing but C transpose A transpose C transpose, then A transpose the whole square into C transpose. First of all we need to determine the A transpose and then C transpose, and then we will be determining A transpose C transpose multiplication. Then the matrix for A transpose C transpose is 0 1 1. Then we need to determine the A transpose the whole square into C transpose. A transpose the whole square into C transpose, which is 0 -2 -2. Then the Q, which is the Kalman's matrix, Kalman's test. The Q matrix is obtained by the Kalman's test, nothing but 3 0 0 4 1 -2 1 1 -2. Okay, then the modulus will be 0. Okay, when the modulus is equal to 0, for the controllability observability condition, we just say that it is not observable. Okay, when output is not equal to 0 means the condition is said to be observable. If the output is 0, then it is said to be not observable. Okay, when the output is not equal to 0, any other values, constant values, means it is said to be observable. But in the case it is completely equal to 0, then the system is said to be a not observable state matrix. Okay, thank you.